M1 Abrams main battle tank is the United States Army's primary weapon system for ground-based operations. The first M1 tank was produced in 1978 and over 9,000 have been manufactured. But the Army's main battle tank had a problem. The M1 achieves high speed and mobility by utilizing an AGT 1500 gas turbine engine. Integral parts of this power plant are a number of rotors that rotate at a high rate of speed. These components must be fabricated within strict tolerances to perform efficiently and safely. Manufacturing defects and heavy use would force these components to be scrapped and replaced by expensive new parts if available. Was there any way to safely and economically repair these parts? There was not. The Army turned to the National Center for Manufacturing Sciences and its cross-industry members for a solution. NCMS brought together a collaborative team comprised of Optimec, the Anniston Army Depot, and Laser Fair Incorporated. The team used a process called laser-engineered net shaping, or LENS, to repair the defects in the parts. This new process was validated and approved for use by the Tank Automotive Command. The LENS team was able to create a process that dramatically improves response time by salvaging previously unavailable parts and saves the Army $6.3 million projected annually. NCMS, Strength and Security, powered by cross-industry collaboration.